Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we have a surprise package sent by Hexbug. This year's regarding, actually I have absolutely no idea what it is, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this year is an exclusive preview, as you can already tell. It says Innovation First International Hexbug. Looks like almost like RPM. I don't know. Maybe something car related. I don't know. We'll see. This side up. Okay, let's open it up. All right. So it says Hexbug is revving up for an exciting 2021. Join us as we zoom into a very special sneak peek. That's right, you're invited to schedule time for a virtual booth walkthrough. You'll get an exclusive look at our 2021 lineup, including all our new customizable RC tuner cars. I love RC tuner cars. I'm a big fan of cars, if you guys don't already know. But this year is actually great news. It says email for your seat and join us as we ride into 2021 full throttle. Ride on, aka the Hexbug. All right, so it kind of showcases a RC car here with a trigger. So it's an RC car that Hexbug is now finally getting into. That's kind of cool to see. Kind of curious to see how they spin this off. So it says lift here. Okay, that's interesting. I've never seen this before. Okay, so there is no car in here. Okay, I thought we were getting a car, but looks like we're just getting an exclusive preview of a car. So that's kind of cool. So it's like literally a screen. It says start your engine and press play, which is this button right here. So it's Hex Mods RC Tuner Cars. It says play your preview up to 25 times and then vroom, it's gone. A mod for every single style. Jump in and take a spin. All right, let's see what this thing's about. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hit start your engine and hit press play.
Next in the show is a line of RC tuner cars we're calling bug cars.
No, Tyler. They're called Hexbots.
What?
Hexbots.
Really? Oh, that's way cooler. Hex mods.
Oh, sweet.
These bad boys are fully customizable RC cars that bring hobby-grade RC to retail. Did somebody say dang? Just
Dang.
That was me. Just now. The cars have swappable body styles. Hey, can we do that thing where we break apart the... Oh, yeah. That's
Oh,
how.
cool.
Hexmods have swappable parts to modify the car's look and performance. We've caught these babies at over 30 feet per second. That's 20 miles an hour. You know what goes faster than
What?
that? Nothing.
What?
You can swap out the motor to improve speed and torque, the tires for drifting or stronger grip, and even alternate between two-wheeled and four-wheel drive. We may be a toy company, but we don't play. Customize the look of your Hexmod with a variety of graphics and decals, as well as various body panels, including spoilers, side skirts, hoods, and bumpers. Spoiler alert, we're about to get lit. You can even customize the lights, from colored underglow to
Whoa,
working tail
that's cool.
headlights. Told you about the lit thing. Both medium and large sets come with swappable parts, a rechargeable LiPo battery, a variety of decals, and so much more. So how do you drive it? With style. Each set comes with a 2.4 gigahertz RC controller, so you can drift and drive
Nice.
these Hexmods from over 100 feet away. So you'll be driving it all the way to the next video.
Ah, that was pretty sick. So it literally sounds like it's an RC tuner. So you can go ahead and customize everything on the car. I even saw the suspension components, the side skirts, the wing, the decals, and you can go and change between like street tires, drift tires. That's actually pretty cool. It's almost like a video game in real life. As you know, I'm a big fan of tuning cars. I've had a few tuner cars myself, which I had a Toyota Supra, and then recently I just picked a BMW i8, and I actually tuned it myself, which is actually pretty cool to see how they're doing this. So this is actually pretty exciting stuff. Now, what it entitles in the future, I have absolutely no idea where they're gonna go with this, but this was actually a really, really cool setup. And yeah, thank you guys for the preview. And with that being said, I hope forward to looking at the future Hex mods when they do come out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, hit that thumbs down button twice. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye. That's so cool.